Maraming mga followers ni Chris ang natuwa dahil muli siyang nagbahagi ng isang litrato na kung saan ay nasa Microtel Tarlac sila. Kasama ni Chris na kumakain ng kanyang dalawang anak na sina Bimbi at Joshua. Pero sa kanyang latest post ay tila binalikan ni Chris ang alaala nang magkaroon siya ng relasyon early this 2025. Doon ay kinuwento ni Chris at kinuot pa ang ilan sa mga lyrics ng kantang The Way We Were. Kwento ni Chris, the song starts with, I did some things that I want to take back. Don't we all? I saw our picture holding hands at the start of the year during one of my baby dose trials when my BP was 186/119. He was one of the very few who saw the fear and the tears wanting to fall, but he knew only two. Well, I'd only let them fall like typhoon rain when the boys were asleep. I wondered how he is, his sister is abroad, and those boys who stole my heart. Misty watercolored memories of the way we were. Kaya naman maraming netizen nang nag-isip na ito daw ba ay si Dr. Mike na minsan ay nagpasaya kay Chris at later on nga ay nag-break din ang dalawa. Samantala, kinuwento naman ni Chris ang bagong setup ng kanilang pamilya at doon nga ay may usapan sila na every time na magdi-dinner ay walang cellphone sa table para makapag-focus at makapag-bonding. Kwento ni Chris, we're learning to be a nuclear family. I admit we have 2 nurses, 2 assistants, several men, but we set our rule when it's dinner time. The 3 of us will eat together and bond like a family. Bawal muna ang gadgets except to listen to new releases and me asking my 2 favorite nurses, Elle and Kate, to please get me my notepad because there were particular lines in a song I wanted to write to make sure I remember. Until Bimp asked, Mama, what are you doing? I explained. Then he shows me where all lyrics can be found and how I can underline the ones I like to create lyric cards using my favorite overall template. A sad reminder of aging but a beautiful acceptance that we should always be eager to learn. Samantala, kinuwento naman ni Chris na meron siyang mga doktor na na-disappoint sa kanya. Kwento ni Chris, I disappointed one of the doctors I respect the most. The other is my anesthesiologist. I tried my new medicine but it's just not for me. He wants to help relieve the pain from fibromyalgia. I was saying we could be roommates for 5 nights so he could see that when the weather is colder, my bone protrusions have a life of their own. Sa bandang huli, sinabi ni Chris na titira sila sa bahay ng kanyang ina na si Cory Aquino. In closing, when I told Kuya that his Lola's house would be our house, he looked at me angry and said, No, that's Lola's house. I appeased him by saying Lola wanted him to have it a smile that started in his eyes, made his dimple appear, and a smile for Lola that was full of love and gratitude. The bone pain is awful because of the weather, but this is now part of my life and it hasn't broken my spirit yet. Sa bandang huli ay nagpasalamat naman si Chris at tila winelcome ang sarili sa probinsya. Ayon kay Chris, probinsyana na si KCA and it's love, love, love. Sa puntong ito ay natuwa naman ang mga netizen na nakita nga si Chris na madalas na nagsishare na ng kanyang buhay sa social media na talaga namang inaabangan ng mga netizen. Ayon sa kanila, it's good to see you all. Love, 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 Miss KCA. Good to see you're eating now. At ang iba naman ay nagbigay ng kanya-kanyang panalangin sa patuloy na paggaling ni Chris Aquino. Samantala, dahil nabanggit ni Chris na doon na sila titira sa bahay ng kanyang ina na si Cory Aquino, marami ang nagtatanong kung ang tinutukoy daw ba ni Chris ay ang bahay nila or ang ancestral house na located sa Concepcion, Tarlac. Matatanda ang ayon na rin sa mga posts, nasa 100 years old na ang nasabing tahanan. Ilang mga photos ang binahagi ni thefilipinorambler.com na kung saan ay makikita ang ilan sa mga sides at facade ng nasabing tahanan. Restored ang nasabing bahay at napakaganda nga ng paligid. Bagay na bagay para sa health ni Chris Aquino na nangangailangan nga ng pahinga at fresh na hangin. Ilang mga kwento ang ipinakita ni The Filipino Rambler at ayon nga sa mga netizen ay napakagandang tahanan ito para balikan ni Chris ang kanyang roots. Maraming mga netizen ang excited na at talaga namang nais nilang makita ang magiging buhay dito ni Chris. Ang nasabing bahay ay malapit sa plaza at pati na rin sa simbahan ng Immaculate Conception. Malapit din ito sa Municipal Hall at pati na rin public school na ang pangalan ay Benigno Aquino High School. Samantala, excited namang malaman ng mga netizen kung aling bahay nga kaya ang tutuluyan ni Chris Aquino sa Tarlac.